Hi, my name is Dave Smith and today I'd like to introduce you to the CRC SmartWasher, a parts washer that compared to traditional tank-based systems offers a more environmentally friendly option and is more cost effective too. Most importantly, it works. Whether it's grease, dirt or oil, the SmartWasher gives brilliantly clean, residue-free results. There are no nasty odours and customers can be reassured that their bike is getting cleaned in an environmentally friendly way. Best of all, total ownership costs are lower than solvent or aqueous parts washers without the high costs of a waste contract that is no longer required with the SmartWasher. We think it's time that bike washing got an upgrade. So, how does it work? The SmartWasher is a safe-to-use, environmentally friendly, non-irritating cleaning formulation that utilises bioremediation to biodegrade waste. So what does that mean? Pay attention because this is the science part. The SmartWasher system harnesses the power of nature to deliver exceptional cleaning performance. The system combines three essential components: the SmartWasher parts washer, the Juice cleaning fluid, and the Mat filter. The SmartWasher heats and circulates the Juice, which in turn cleans the parts. The secret weapon is the Mat, which contains a proprietary blend of microbes, and when activated by the warm Juice, these microbes break down and eat oil, grease and carbon-based contaminants. Oil contaminants enter the solution as bike parts are washed. The surfactant in the Juice emulsifies the oils. The emulsified oils are then eaten by the microbes and the oil is now converted into harmless water and CO2. This results in a self-cleaning system that does not generate hazardous waste, making it a safer choice for manual solvent or aqueous-based parts washers. This proven biotechnology is used to assist in the cleanup of wastewater treatment ponds and lagoons in petroleum refineries and industrial manufacturing facilities all around the world. All you need to do is keep the SmartWasher topped up with Juice, refresh the Mat once per week and then replace the full Mat once every month. It is that simple. So what do I need to get the SmartWasher into my store? The SmartWasher SW23 mobile parts washer is mains powered and the key component. It features a large sink and because it's on wheels you can move the washer around easily in store. It has a 19 litre per minute pump, probe and a heater which keeps the Juice cleaning fluid at between 40 to 46 degrees centigrade, which is the optimal temperature for cleaning. Juice is a powerful aqueous based cleaner and degreaser that is pH neutral, it's non-irritating, non-flammable, and most importantly, it's non-hazardous that doesn't need to be thrown away. But the Mat is the real star here, and why the bioremediation happens. It's a 4-layer filter mat which traps particulates above 50 microns. The Mat releases microbes into the Juice, which keeps the Juice clean, meaning you never have to throw away the cleaning fluid. Now, let's take a closer look at setting up the SmartWasher and how it performs. Before we get started, let's put on some gloves and some protective eyewear. Although the Juice is safe on the skin, you may be coming into contact with contaminants of the dirty componentry. Now, let's take a closer look at the features of the SW23 mobile parts washer. It has a large sink, big enough to get a bike inside of it. It has a bendable hose with a tap which allows you to soak parts or run the Juice over them whilst you're cleaning other bike parts. The brush features a button which when pressed releases the fluid through the brush head, and that is attached to a 4-foot hose allowing you to access hard to reach parts. It's mobile, so you can take the washer to the bike with a built-in brake system, and it can easily be positioned under a bike stand for easy cleaning. The SmartWasher holds up to 180 kilos in parts. It's a 60 litre tank size. It takes 3 full pails of Juice for the initial setup. Inside the machine is a pump which will circulate the clean fluid throughout the machine. The probe senses when more fluid needs to be added, illuminating a red light. The probe also regulates the temperature, which is generated by the heater, which keeps the Juice at between 40 to 46 degrees centigrade, which is the optimal cleaning temperature. The Mat is a 4-layer filter mat which contains the microbes. The maintenance couldn't be easier. Each week, peel away 1 layer to reveal a new filter, and every month replace the full mat. This will replenish the Aussie microbes in the tank, making them ready to eat more oil. Finally, we have the Aussie juice. Unlike solvents that dissolve the dirt, this is a surfactant which lifts the dirt. It's 100% safe to use, it's non-flammable, non-irritating, and doesn't contain any VOCs. In addition, because the Aussie juice recirculates, you'll always be cleaning with uncontaminated fluid. Having taken a look at the component parts of the SmartWasher, I'll show you how fast it is to get set up and running. First, we will fill the tank with 60 litres of Aussie juice. When the red light has gone out, then the machine has enough fluid. Over time, you will need to top up the Aussie juice. When the red light is on, it is asking you to top up the fluid. Once the fluid is topped up, the light goes off and the machine is good to start cleaning bikes. For the initial setup, it takes around 1.5 hours for the Aussie juice to heat up and optimise the cleaning power of the Aussie juice. It also means that cleaning in cold conditions won't leave you with freezing cold hands. Finally, switch on the pump and you're ready to clean. The pump stays on for 10 minutes. If you forget to switch it off, it automatically switches off after this time. To restart, simply switch it back on. You can also switch off the pump at any time. Once you finish using the machine, we recommend that if you're cleaning with expensive gloves, end by also cleaning the gloves. The SmartWasher remains plugged in and switched on. This lets the microbes keep cleaning the fluid even if you aren't cleaning parts, so it's cleaning even when you aren't. The electricity cost is no more than operating a small fridge at home. That completes our presentation of the SmartWasher. Hopefully you found it informative and can find a place for it in your workshop. All of these products are available from Madison B2B now. If you have any further questions, please speak to your sales agent or contact telesales, who will be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we hope to welcome you to the future of clean, green smart washing.